If you are planning to visit Malaysia, you may need to apply for a visitor's visa before you enter the country. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a visitor's visa for Malaysia. 1. Determine if you need a visa. The first step is to determine if you need a visa to enter Malaysia. Most countries are allowed to enter Malaysia without a visa, but some countries require a visa to enter. You can check the Malaysian government's website to see if your country is on the visa-exempt list. 2. Determine the type of visa you need. If you need a visa to enter Malaysia, the next step is to determine the type of visa you need. There are several types of visas available, including Single Entry Visa. Allows you to enter Malaysia once for a period of up to 30 days. Multiple Entry Visa. Allows you to enter Malaysia multiple times within a period of up to 3 months. Transit Visa. Allows you to enter Malaysia for a short period of time while you are on your way to another country. 3. Gather the required documents. Once you have determined the type of visa you need, you will need to gather the required documents. The documents you need may vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for, but generally, you will need a valid passport with at least 6 months validity remaining, a completed visa application form, a passport-sized photograph, proof of travel arrangements, such as a flight itinerary, proof of financial support, such as bank statements, a letter of invitation, if applicable. 4. Submit your application. Once you have gathered all of the required documents, you can submit your visa application. You can submit your application in person at a Malaysian embassy or consulate, or you can submit it online through the Malaysian government's e-visa website. 5. Pay the visa fee. There is a non-refundable visa fee that you must pay when you submit your application. The fee varies depending on the type of visa you are applying for and the country you are applying from. 6. Wait for your visa to be processed. After you submit your application and pay the fee, you will need to wait for your visa to be processed. Processing times vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and the country you are applying from. It is best to apply for your visa well in advance of your travel date to allow for processing time. 7. Collect your visa. Once your visa has been processed, you will need to collect it from the Malaysian embassy or consulate where you submitted your application. If you applied for your visa online, you will receive an electronic visa that you can print out and present to immigration officials when you arrive in Malaysia. In conclusion, applying for a visitor's visa for Malaysia is a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined above, you can ensure that your visa application is processed smoothly and that you are able to enter Malaysia without any issues. Just remember to apply for your visa well in advance of your travel date to allow for processing time. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.